In today's video, I just want to show you exactly how you add an additional vehicle license to your GAP IID Tool diagnostic device. Now, you do this when you want to perform full functionality on an additional car with your IID tool that you already own. All right. So the first thing I do is I actually log in to my account and I go to shop. Okay. I then scroll down and I find here extra VIN license for IID tool and EAS control. EAS stands for electronic air suspension. And I just add as many of them as I want. So I'm just going to say one and click add to cart. I then proceed through the checkout until I have successfully purchased the item. You then receive an email from GAP with your VIN license code. With this code, we need to log into the app when we're connected to our vehicle. So let me show you. Okay, so now this is the email that I was sent, and here it is, the VIN license code. I want to copy that and just move over and I go into the GAP tool. And now I click connect to the last tool and I click confirm connection. Yes. It loads up and you can see now this is in limited mode. So I click on activate. So we click on in-app activation and we paste in our license code. Just paste. And tool origin, I just selected eBay. I click activate. You need to make sure you're connected to the internet for this to work. Code validated. And now straight away we can see momentarily that it is a full activated account for that vehicle now. So now I can perform any action I want regarding the IID tool and this vehicle. So it's really as simple as that. It doesn't take more than a couple of minutes. I purchase the extra license and then I automatically receive an email with that license code. I then go to my vehicle with my IID tool inserted and I activate the tool, and straight away I can now make full use of the IID tool. If you want to learn more about how you can use your IID tool, I do have a previous video that you can click on here. Otherwise, if you want to, learn more about Land Rovers and just Land Rover based content, please just hit subscribe. Nonetheless, have a great day and I will talk to you soon. Take care.